will be making this greeting card. Okay. So let's see how to make it. So for the base, we have to take white paper. So take a white A4 sheet, and then we need red paper. If you don't have red, you can use any other paper. Okay. So brown, green, all will work. That's absolutely fine. And then we need red paper for the diya and batti. Okay, red and yellow. Okay. So let's do it. So here I have a A4 sheet. So I'm just folding it into half. I just take my red sheet and I will keep it here like this. So this is horizontal. I have kept it horizontal here. So I'll make a mark. Just make a line like this. Okay. So we have to make the line here. Okay. So don't make it from the corner to corner. Okay. We have to cut the sheet, red sheet like this. Okay. So what I'm saying is, I'm saying that so this is, I'm taking 8 centimeter. I think 8 centimeter will be sufficient. So 8 centimeter, mark the line, and 8 centimeter from here. Okay. So just cut it, and same again 8 centimeter. So we have to cut 2 triangles. Okay. So if you will make a square 8 by 16, this is 8. No, we have to make a square of 8 by 8. So I'm making a square of 8 by 8. Okay. So I just made a square 8 centimeter by 8 centimeter. Okay. Okay. So few people have joined. I'm just repeating it once again. So take a A4 sheet white and fold it into half. Okay. And then just take colored sheet of paper and make a square of 8 by 8 centimeters. Okay. Then do the cutting. Okay. And then just make a line in the center, or you can just fold it and cut it from the center. So we need triangle. Okay. So I'm just cutting it like this one. Just make a line in the center and cut it. Okay. So hello. No, there must be some issue from your side. Okay, try again. Okay, so I'm just cutting it from the center. Like this. Okay, so we have to stick it like this here and one here. Okay, so just paste it in the corner. Okay, same way we will just paste the other one. I think this cutting is not proper, so just okay. Just paste it like this, and then paste the another piece of paper. Yeah. Okay, just press it. Match the corners. So now we will make diyas. Okay. So you can take red and yellow paper or orange paper for the diya. So this is a different diya. In the previous session, we have done it differently. Now we will be doing it differently. Okay. So I am cutting a rectangle. So I'll tell you the size, just a minute. So what is the size is? This is 5 centimeter and this is 15. You can take 15. 15 will be sufficient, I guess. Or you can take more than 15. So you can just take one A4 sheet and cut it along the length. Okay. So it will be long. So mine is 5 by 15, 30. 5 by 30. Okay. So this is a 5 by 30 centimeter rectangular strip. So we are going to make a diya with this. So you have to take one strip and just fold it like a fan. Okay. This in the group after the class around 7 o'clock. So just fold and make a fan out of it. Okay, so one side up and one side down. Just flip it. So I hope everybody knows how to make a fan. Just try to do it neatly, as neat as possible. Okay. So now this is done. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I will just fold it from the center. Just fold it from the center like this into half. Like this. Okay. Just fold it into half and stick this portion. Just stick it. Apply the Fevicol here in the center and just stick it from the center. So our diya is ready. So when it is dry, the glue is ready, dry, just try to open it and you will see that your diya is ready now. Okay. So you can just stick it here. So likewise, we have to make 3. Okay. So make 3. So I'll just cut it again. 5 by 30. I'll keep it aside. So people who have not understood, please see again. I'm doing it. So I'll make 3 diyas. So I'm making 5 centimeter line point. Okay. So this is 5 by 30. Just cut a rectangular strip 5 by 30 centimeter. Since we have to make 3 diyas, so I'm cutting 3 strips. Okay. So 1 diya we have already made. Now I'll be making 2 more. Yes, Aisha, I'll be waiting for some time. So I'm just showing you the procedure. So just make 1 diya at least if you're not able to make 3. Okay. After diyas are done, I will wait. Okay. So this is just fold it like a fan. So I remember my childhood when we used to make the fan like this. So please do it neatly. All the folds should come one above the other. So little extra piece was left. I'm just cutting it. Just fold it from the center. And apply the glue in the center here. And stick both the sides. Okay. So let it dry for some time. Just keeping it aside. So make sure that both are aligned properly. Okay. So this is done. Now I'll make one more. Okay. You can make whatever kind of diya you want. So this is how I am telling you, teaching you. If you know any other method, you can do that. So I'm making the third diya. Okay. See, if you want, you can just draw simply and cut it. That's also absolutely fine. Okay. If you want to just draw and cut it, you can do that. So this is another kind of origami paper diya. It's like a fan. You have to fold the fan. Just fold the fan neatly. So all the folds should be straight and they should fall on each other. Okay. Don't make small and big folds. Try to do it neatly. Now my third diya is also done. So I'm just folding it from the center. So if it is not coming out equal, so just fold from the center like this and paste it. Okay. So now my 3 diyas are ready. So just let it paste. So this is my greeting card. So it is opening this side. So I'm just going to paste my diyas. So this was my first diya. I will paste it here. Just open it a little bit and paste the second diya here and third diya here. Like this. Okay. So apply the glue like this at the back and paste it here. Just dab it a little bit so it will stick. Sorry, this is opposite. Actually, it should come like this. Because on the top there will be light. So it should come like this. Circle will come on the down part. So it will come like this. So this is our diya. So just open it a little bit into half. And now paste it. Just apply the glue and turn the round part down and open it a little bit to give it a nice proper shape. Okay, so this is the second diya. Now the third one. If it is not even, you can make them even by cutting the extra part. I'm just applying the glue on the third one now. And paste the round part down and just try to open it a little bit like this. Yeah. Okay. So 3 diyas are done. Now we have to make the light for the diya. Okay. So this is how you have to paste it. So I'm waiting for 5 minutes for you guys. After that, we will make the light. This was little extra part actually. I should have cut it. This is looking little extra. Okay, let it be like that. Yeah, very good. Shri Shakti, very nice. You are very quick. You're doing a neat job. Good girl. Ritvik, Hasmita, Dhruv, Ramya, Vijay, Naitik, Hasmita. Okay, so this is done now. Paper, so you can take a rectangular paper. Yeah, sorry, square paper. Okay, so this is 7 and 7 centimeter on both the sides. Okay, it's a square paper. So just cut it from the center like this and make a triangle. Okay, so you can take any size paper. So you can take 6 centimeter square also, 5 centimeter square also. That's also fine. So this is how I have cut it in the from the center like this, the square. Okay. and then after that you have to make the fan again. So just make it again. So start from the corner side, one corner, the top one, and keep the folds properly. So make small folds. Yeah. Okay. So it was very easy. It was very small also. Okay. So just so it will become a light. So likewise you have to. So I'm just holding it from the center after applying Fevicol so that it will stick. Just give it 2 minutes or 5 minutes to dry. It will dry. Just open it after it is dry. So this is how it became the light. So you can just put it here. Okay. So that is how you have to make the 3 lights for 3 diyas. So after this, just apply the glue and stick it. Right? So I'll just do it again. So people who have not understood how to apply the glue on the diya. So you have to take the diya and at the back of it, you have to apply the glue. Okay. So how to tell? So we have folded it like this. I have to make it again and show you. So after making the fan, you have to apply the glue in the center. So it will open up like this. Then at the base, you have to apply the glue. Okay. So it will stick. So now I'm making 2 more lights for the diya. So this is my triangular paper. Okay, you can make it small. I took a 7 by 7 centimeter square and I have cut it into half. Okay. Diagonally. So now I'm making the light by folding it into a fan. So this is my another fan ready, and now just fold it from the center like this. Okay, and apply the glue here. So this is my another light for the diya. See, alignment should be proper, then only you will get the neat work. If the alignment is not proper, then you will not get the neat work. So I'm just applying the Fevicol here. So for the diya also, we have applied the glue like this only. And just paste it in the center. Okay. So it will just take few seconds, half a second to dry. So let it dry. And now I'm making the third one. So I'm just taking a square paper. This is my square paper. And I will cut it from the center. Okay. So just fold it into a fan. Start from the corner. So now I'm folding it from the center like this and apply the Fevicol. So just press it for a few seconds, it will dry. See, when your hands become sticky, you can just keep a wet cloth along with you, so you can clean your hand so that your craft work don't get dirty. Okay, just keep a wet cloth near you. You can just keep wiping your hand parallelly. And now this is ready. So you can just apply the glue at the back and stick it here on the last one. See, it became very big. So I'm just going to cut it a little from the top like this. Okay. So now I'm waiting for you for 5 minutes. Please do it. Then we can just stick the beads here. Okay. So we can decorate it more by adding the beads on the edges. So in the center, you can write any slogan or anything, Happy Diwali or whatever wish you wish to like to add. So this was our Diwali card. So I'm waiting. After that, we will stick the beads. If you have beads, you can stick it. If you don't have beads, you can use bindi also. Okay, so you can use crystal bindi also if you don't have beads. Wow, beautiful. Sri Shakti, very nice. Very nice. Okay, how to apply the glue and where to apply the glue? On what? On diya? No. Aisha. Yeah, it's okay. See, actually you have to keep your diya straight. You have kept your diya slanting. That's okay. That's absolutely fine. But if it would have been straight, it's good. Okay, but that's okay. No problem. Okay. That is also okay. So now if you have sequin, you can, or sequin or moti or beads. So everything will work. So if you have white beads like this, so you can decorate it with white beads. If you don't have white beads, if you have sequin or anything else, or sticker bindi you have, then you can use that. Okay, so I am applying the beads here. So how to apply the glue on the diya? Okay, for that I have to show you again how to make the diya, and then I'll, okay, just wait. I think everybody want to know how to apply the glue on diya. So just give me a minute. I'll make a diya quickly and I'll show you. Okay. So, so when I'll fold it in the center, so this will become my diya like this. So you have to apply the glue here first of all. Just apply the glue here so that it will become a diya. Okay. So, and then you just open it. So it will open up like this. So after that, see, you have to keep your diya like this. So that's why you have to apply the glue here. Okay, at the back like this. Okay, so just keep it on the paper straight like this. I'm not sticking it here. So you can just apply the glue and you can keep it on your paper like this straight. Okay, and just open it a little bit to give it a proper semicircular shape. So this is how you have to stick your diya. Okay. Okay. So now I'm just adding the beads. So if you don't have beads, you can just cut your glitter sheet, round circles, small, and then you can use that also. Okay. So it's totally your creativity, how you want to enhance it. So you can use bindi, you can use stickers, you can use beads, you can use sequin, or you can use crystal bindi. Okay. So I have some kundan here. So in the diyas, I have applied beads, and here I am applying kundan. Okay, so you can apply anything you have. Totally your creativity. Okay. So it will add some glitter and 3D look. So it was not very tough. Only thing is it required little patience. Okay. See, if you don't have anything, then you can do one thing. You can just cut the colored paper into small circles. So you can just make multiple folds of it. So like around 10 or 5 or 6. Just make a small circle like this and cut it. So you can just paste that also instead of these glittery things. So there is no limit to creativity. You just need to think. Okay. See, creativity is when you don't have stuff and you have to make something. So you have to come up with the new ideas. Okay. So this is done. Just waiting for it to dry for 2 minutes. So this is our Diwali greeting card. I hope everybody has enjoyed the session. So you can just write anything. I'm not flipping it right now because it is wet. Okay. So you can write Happy Diwali here. So with the sketch pen. Okay. So you can draw a diya also and you can color it, or you can just draw it on the colored paper and you can stick the diya, cut it and stick it. Okay. So I hope everybody enjoyed it and everybody is able to make it. How to make a diya? Rachit Kumar. I think you have joined very late, Rachit. So recording will be there. You can see the recording. Wow, Hitanshi, beautiful. Superb. How to make a diya? Okay, I will tell again. Yes, you can use glitter sheet. You can use ribbon. You can use lace. Anything you can use to decorate your greeting card. There is no limit to creativity. You can add anything of your choice or whatever material is available with you. You just need to think and come up with an idea. Okay. So I'm showing again. Some people don't know still how to make a diya. So I'm just repeating the diya again. After it is dry, you can write the slogan. So don't touch it. Let it dry. Otherwise, it will come out. Okay. So just let it dry. I'm just repeating it once again how to make a diya. So I took 5 centimeter and 30 centimeter strip. You can take 5 by 25 also. That is also absolutely fine. I have not cut it properly. Okay, so you have to do the cutting neatly. I'm just showing you the procedure. So take a 5 by 25 centimeter or 30 centimeter and make a fan. So I'm just repeating the procedure for the diya quickly because the session is almost over. It's already 4 o'clock. So I just need to check all of your work. So how you have done it. So I'm just making a fan. So fold from one side, then flip the paper and fold from the another side. All the folds should come on one on the other. Okay. So like this. So for the diya, we need a rectangular strip, and for the batti, we need a triangular paper. Okay. Just fold it into a fan. And then from the center, you have to fold it like this. Okay. So just this is how you have to fold it. Yes, very nice, Sri Shakti, very nice. Okay. So this is how you have to fold it from the center. So this was my fan, and I just folded it from the center. So I have applied the glue here and let it dry for a minute. So it will dry very quickly. Just press it, it will stick. So your diya is ready. Just open it slowly, and at the back of it, you can just apply the glue. Just apply the glue like this and stick it on the paper. So this is how, see, I have shown you the second time, now I'm showing you the third time. So this was my one diya, and now you have to just stick it on the paper like this. See? Okay, just fold it, open it properly so that it gives the proper shape of the diya, and then just press it. So it will dry like this. Okay, so this is how you have to paste the diya. This is the third time I have told. Yes, okay. So yeah, so you can just write the slogan inside. I'm not writing it. I will just check the work for everybody. So I have put you guys on unmute. You can speak now. I hope everybody.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, my name is Hitanshi.
Ma'am, can you just give me one last more minute? I just need to finish up the circles.
Yes. I'm waiting.
My name is Hitanshi. Can you
How is it, ma'am?
Yes, Shri Shakti. Yes, yours is very beautiful. Perfect.
Ma'am,
I like it.
Please read mine.
Please upload it into the Facebook. I have shared the link already. You have to upload the
ma'am.
Facebook.
Of course, ma'am.
Please don't forget to join tomorrow's session. Okay. Don't forget to join tomorrow's session, please, everybody.